Welcome to Zehnders Splash Village. So before you, we are going to start our fun adventure at Splash Village. So right here we have the frog slide. So for the little kiddos, zero entry, fun to play in. And then around the back side we have the lazy river area. So as you can see out that area, we do have the slides out there. We'll check those out in just a little bit. But in here we do have some cabanas. It looks like you have TVs for those special events, catching that game, doing all those fun things. And then you do have that slide that's going to come right next to that cabana. You also have some special seating on the sides reserved for people that have suites. Those also have a TV dedicated just for your table. Some of these tables, like I had mentioned, that have a TV and a nice little umbrella area so that you can catch the game and keep yourself entertained as well if you don't plan on being in that water. We're gonna head on into this lazy river here. It's not so lazy though. It looks like there is a strong little current. So if you have little ones, they do have life jackets for you to be able to utilize if you so desire. Ooh, that water feels so nice. Ooh, it does have a little current, kind of picks you up and moves you right along. It's like you're running through the water. So it has a nice little current. Looks like some fun water features as well, splashing you as you move on along that lazy river. Depth in here is 3 feet 9 inches, and you really don't have to swim at all. It's just gonna keep on moving you right along. Whew, I almost ran. Different areas of that lazy river have a different little current, kind of pick you up and speed you right along. That lazy river does have a nice little current, but you do have an exit ramp here where you can enter into the pool area. In the pool area, you're gonna find some basketball hoops and some volleyball nets, all those fun pool activities. And again, this is that frog slide, zero entry. So the little ones can play down there. Looks like we have 2 feet and then 3 feet right on over here. Again, life jackets are available if you'd like. Oh, so it's a skill, it's a skill. Water basketball. Around the side of the pool, next to the frog slide, there are a number of tables and chairs, but inside the pool area here, there is some more chairs available for your leisure as well.
Going the other way.
Now that we've had some fun in that lazy river and that pool area, we're going to go ahead and do the drop slide. So this pink and purple one is the drop slide. You can see it goes all the way up there to where you drop. Kind of looks like you're coming through the ceiling and coming on down. All right, let's head in. So it looks like you do need to be 48 inches for that drop slide, and we have some stairs to climb. Working my way up to the drop slide here. So there are a number of stairs. You do need to know that there's, I don't know how many, but there's a lot of stairs. I'll see if I can find out for you. We're almost to the top though. You can see that drop slide. You can see that pool down there that we were just in playing basketball. And then out the window, you can see the other slide. So we are almost there. Almost there. A little bit further to that drop slide. All right, we're trying the drop slide. So you have to go in here. Stand there, and that's going to drop out from underneath you, cross your legs, cross your arms, and literally the floor drops out. So we're going to do this. Oh, goodness. Okay. Welcome. Okay. Enter. 3, 2, 1. raft slide, they have like a conveyor belt that brings the rafts up. You can see up to 4 people on them, and then you head on down here. That conveyor belt taking that raft back on up. Here we have the exit of the family raft slide. So you can see that water coming out, and then the tubes, or the inner tubes, come out and they go right on up that conveyor belt system right there. All right, after the family drop slide, I'm heading into the hot tub that they have right next to it. You can see the drop slide right there. That's what we just went in. Hot tub, we get to observe it. They do have a nice little towel hut for you too, with some nicely fresh rolled towels and lots of bins to deposit your towels in as well. So there is restrooms out in the atrium area and a shower area. And all right, I thought I'd show you guys a sneak peek of the shower area. So of course you have your obligatory restrooms here, but you do have nice swimsuit dryers as well. So you put your swimsuit in there, it spins it really fast. We have nice shower stalls that do have actual doors that close, and showers to go ahead and clean off after your fun time at the water park. They do also have disposable swim diapers for the little ones, and it looks like they have a variety of sizes too. So you have a nice little bench there to put your stuff and keep dry, and then your shower along with some soap. And again, these lockers. So let's check out the lockers. Start a new locker rental. Looks like it's $8 for a small, $12 for a large, $15 for an extra large, and that's for the entire day. So it looks like we have small locker here, and then this is a large locker, and then the extra large ones. It looks like it does accept cash and card, but the system does not give change. So if you use cash, just know that. And then to access your locker, you're just gonna go ahead and access the locker. You pick your own code, so you don't need to have anything to remember other than a code that you make up. So again, $8, $12, and $15 for an entire day to store your stuff safely and securely. And again, there's different locker banks and kiosks. This one's out here. There's some down over there and in the other area as well. All right, now that we've done that drop slide and that family raft slide, that's that green and teal one out there, we have this atrium lazy river here where the roof opens, and then we have that fun little kiddie pool. We're gonna head inside to the inside things. We're now in the other area, Splash Landing. This section is perfect for families with younger kids or anyone who loves classic water park fun. You're gonna find a zero entry pool here for the little ones, some fun little rides. You can see in the back there's some dumping buckets and a little area for kids to go on the swings. There's plenty of little smaller slides that are big on excitement but friendly for all ages. It's bright and lively and full of splashes and non-stop smiles in here. There's that dumping bucket, tons and tons of fun. In the back here you can see those slides that come down, and there's a lazy river back in there, a pool with a bunch of fun and exciting things. Let's go check everything out. So again, you have that hot tub, and it looks like the bucket's gonna fall again in just a second. So maybe we should jump in this pool. No, we won't jump, but we'll come over here. Bunch of little kiddos here. Let's watch it from this vantage point. It's coming. That's so fun. Giggling Gorge was so much fun solo. This time, I have somebody that would ride with me. So, we're gonna do a double on the perilous plunge. All right, we're are ready to head down. Here we go! We're plunging into the darkness! Once you exit those water slides, you do have the option of getting out right there in that pool, or you can go ahead and enter into the lazy river from that pool and go on around that way. Entering this lazy river, super simple. They do have a stack of tubes there for you to utilize. They have single ones or double ones. The same tubes you're going to utilize for those blue slides. Theming on this, super adorable. Of course, you have all those little mushrooms and flowers. You're like in a little fairy garden. It's really, really cute. So this one, not like the other action river, this is truly a lazy river. So you just kind of relax, kick back, and let that water slowly take you through here. Depth on this one was 2 feet 6 inches or so. They do have some fun buckets that dump as you're going past them as well. Again, remember, if you do need a life jacket for your little ones, they do have them in multiple areas throughout this water park, so make sure to grab one. There's where that slide empties into that lazy river there as well. Here's a peek at the Dragonfly Pond. So this is a nice pool that has some activities, kind of like the one on the other side. You've got some basketball hoops, you've got some lily pads that you can try to balance yourself on. Over yonder, you can see that they have lily pads for you to cross with like a rope hanging up above. So super fun area for all ages. We're now heading into that splash landing, which is super fun. Look at all this little waterfalls coming down. Little sprinklers coming out. Oh my goodness. When I was little, I would have loved this. I guess I love it now as well. All the little buckets up there. Oh, these steps are nice and padded, so they're not slippery. They're like a nice cushy padding. That is super nice. Let's get a bird's eye view from up here of everything. All right, as you can see, there's tons of little gizmos and gadgets and faucets and buckets that you can play with while you're waiting your turn to go down the slide. So we have Patrick, who's gonna head on down this purple slide. There he goes. Here's time for complete 100% honesty. This slide is super fun. This area here is more fun than many other slides that I've been on, and I would absolutely recommend hanging out in this area. Maybe I'm just a big kid at heart. While I know that I am, this is amazing. And the bucket's coming. It's coming. Oh my. So here's just another perspective for you in this area. We have the little kids pool down here. They're fun little slides over here for the little ones to practice their water slide skills. Hot tub underneath the mushrooms, and then you have the fun dark slides that go down there. All right, it's time to go down that purple slide now. Here we go. Oh, that slide was fun, but we've got a bucket coming. Jumped out of the slide just in time for the bucket. Thank you all so much for joining us today at Zehnders Splash Village. The water park has been amazing. If you want to check out more details on the water park, the accommodations, There's a link down in the description for all of the details to book yourself a room or come for a day visit as well. Either one, you're gonna have a blast. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye!